Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Understanding defective ignition, causes, signs, dangers and solutions. When dealing with the issue of a defective ignition, it's crucial to understand the potential risks and the steps to address them. A defective ignition can lead to unexpected stalling, loss of power steering, and disabled airbags, posing a serious safety hazard. Please give us a like, comment, a share, or subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will delve into the common signs of a defective ignition, potential causes, and the necessary actions to rectify the problem. Understanding the implications of a defective ignition is pivotal in ensuring the safety and reliability of your vehicle. Understanding defective ignition. To understand defective ignition, it's crucial to grasp what it entails and the common causes behind it. What is a defective ignition? A defective ignition refers to a malfunction in the ignition system of a vehicle. The ignition system is responsible for starting the engine and igniting the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber. When the ignition system is defective, it can lead to issues such as difficulty starting the engine, stalling, or engine misfires. Common causes of defective ignition. Worn spark plugs. Over time, spark plugs can wear out, leading to inefficient ignition of the fuel-air mixture. Faulty ignition coils. When the ignition coil malfunctions, it can cause irregular sparks, affecting the engine's performance. Ignition switch problems. Issues with the ignition switch can result in intermittent starting problems or even a complete failure to start the vehicle. Faulty wiring. Damaged or deteriorating wiring within the ignition system can disrupt the flow of electricity, leading to ignition problems. Ignition control module failure. A malfunctioning ignition control module can cause erratic engine performance and lead to ignition system failure. Understanding these common causes of defective ignition can help in identifying and addressing issues early, preventing further damage to the vehicle's ignition system. Signs of a defective ignition: engine stalling and rough idling. When your ignition system is faulty, you may notice your engine stalling or running rough at idle. This could manifest as the engine abruptly shutting off while driving, or a noticeable shaking or vibrating sensation when the vehicle is stationary. If you experience these symptoms, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to ensure safety and prevent further damage to the vehicle. Trouble starting the vehicle. An obvious sign of a defective ignition is difficulty starting the vehicle. If you find yourself repeatedly turning the key with no success, or if there is a delay in the engine cranking, it could indicate ignition problems. Additionally, if the engine starts but then immediately dies, this could also point to ignition issues that need attention. Electrical issues. A defective ignition can lead to a range of electrical issues within the vehicle. You might notice problems with the dashboard lights flickering, dimming, or behaving erratically. Furthermore, issues with power windows, the radio, or other electrical components could also stem from a faulty ignition system. These electrical irregularities are indicators that should not be overlooked, as they can often be linked to ignition issues. The dangers of ignoring a defective ignition. Increased risk of accidents. Ignoring a defective ignition in your vehicle can significantly increase the risk of accidents. A malfunctioning ignition system may cause unexpected stalling or loss of engine power while driving, leading to potentially hazardous situations on the road. This can result in a higher likelihood of collisions with other vehicles or objects, posing a danger to the driver, passengers, and other road users. Potential damage to vehicle. In addition to the increased risk of accidents, neglecting a defective ignition can lead to potential damage to the vehicle itself. A faulty ignition can cause irregular engine performance, leading to premature wear and tear on critical components. This includes the starter motor, battery, and even the engine itself. Ignoring these issues can result in costly repairs or even permanent damage to the vehicle's mechanical systems. Steps to address a defective ignition. When facing issues with your vehicle's ignition system, it's crucial to take the right steps to address the problem effectively. By diagnosing the issue, repairing or replacing the ignition system, and performing regular maintenance, you can ensure the smooth functioning of your vehicle and prevent future problems. Diagnosing the issue. Diagnosing a defective ignition system involves checking for common symptoms such as difficulty starting the vehicle, stalling or misfiring, and unusual noises during ignition. Additionally, inspecting the ignition switch, spark plugs and ignition coil can help pinpoint the specific cause of the problem. Using diagnostic tools can assist in identifying any underlying issues that may not be immediately apparent. Repairing or replacing the ignition system. Once the issue has been diagnosed, it's essential to proceed with repairing or replacing the faulty components. This may involve cleaning or replacing the spark plugs, addressing wiring or connection issues, or replacing the ignition coil or switch if they are found to be defective. In some cases, seeking professional assistance from a qualified mechanic may be necessary to ensure the ignition system is effectively repaired or replaced. Regular maintenance to prevent future issues. To prevent future ignition system problems, regular maintenance is key. This includes scheduling periodic inspections of the ignition system components, such as checking and replacing spark plugs, inspecting ignition wiring, and ensuring the ignition switch is functioning correctly. Additionally, following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for the vehicle can help prevent potential ignition issues and maintain optimal performance. By following these steps to diagnose, repair, replace, and maintain the ignition system, you can address a defective ignition effectively while also taking proactive measures to prevent future issues. In conclusion of this video, understanding the implications of a defective ignition is crucial for ensuring vehicle safety and preventing potential accidents. Addressing any signs of ignition issues promptly and seeking professional assistance can mitigate risks and enhance the overall driving experience. By staying informed about the common causes and symptoms of defective ignitions, individuals can take proactive measures to safeguard themselves and their passengers on the road. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are paramount in sustaining the reliability and performance of a vehicle's ignition system. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.